MNS Chief Raj Thackeray has slammed the Aurangzeb controversy that's presently a highlight in the state of Maharashtra. He's saying, not concerned over water and trees, but Aurangzeb. Keep We Killed Aurangzeb board at the tomb. Raj Thackeray has a suggestion for the Aurangzeb tomb, which is in Sambhaji Nagar, erstwhile Aurangabad. He says, We Killed Aurangzeb board can be put at the tomb, which there has been otherwise a removal demand about. Raj Thackeray says people made to fight in the name of history. Read history books from the books, not from social media. So, very interesting comment from Raj Thackeray there. Let's listen in.
सगळे विषय भरकटवले जातात. आमच्याकडे कोण येतो, आम्हाला पाय जंगलांची पडली नाही, पाण्याची पडली नाही, कशाची पडली नाही, आम्हाला पडली औरंगजेबाची. सगळे प्रयत्न केले, सर्व प्रयत्न केले आणि इथे शेवटी मेला. जगाच्या इतिहासामध्ये औरंगजेब वाचला जातो, अभ्यास केला जातो त्याचा. पण ज्या वेळेला त्याचा अभ्यास केला जातो त्यावेळेला जगभरातल्या लोकांना कळतं की तो काय करायला गेला होता आणि कसा मेला. तिथे छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांचं नाव येतं जगभरामध्ये. जी कबर आहे ना, जी सजवलेली काढून टाका, कबर नुसती दिसली पाहिजे आणि तिथे एक मोठा बोर्ड लावा, आम्हा मराठ्यांना संपवायला आलेला औरंगजेब इथे आम्ही गाडला गेला. हा आमचा इतिहास.
My colleague Vidya joins me for the latest on this from Mumbai. Vidya, good morning. It's a very interesting comment by Raj Thackeray. Of course, he's speaking in his usual trademark tone, but tell us more about what he's said and where does he stand really on this issue?
Well, in the last many months that we have seen during the election, he had sided with the BJP and the Shiv Sena of Eknath Shinde, and this certainly comes as a strange way that he's shown that he's actually not really with them, but because he's holding a opinion which seems very different from the ruling party, and of course what he has been stating is what a lot of people have been applauding him for, basically stating facts as to how this entire Aurangzeb issue is being used to divert from the main issues that concern the people of Maharashtra. He stated that, if you look at the facts of how the history has been written until now, Sambhaji was associated with Aurangzeb, though he finally did not really accept Aurangzeb's orders, and that's why he was, it was his own brother-in-law who made sure that he was arrested. And he was, so basically he's pointing to the history and saying as to how it's being distorted now. And the way it is being put forth is being made to look like it's for diverting from the main core issues that grip the entire state of Maharashtra right now.
All right, Vidya, stay on with me because this, remember, is just one of the statements that Raj Thackeray appears to have made. One on Aurangzeb. He's saying, why not add the We Killed Aurangzeb board right where the tomb has been, but also adding, don't go by social media, read books. That's where the real history has been.